For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's case has taken a new turn ever since ED allegedly shared some evidence with the CBI and the Narcotics Control Bureau about actor Rhea Chakraborty's alleged use of banned drugs. In fact, recently a news portal accessed a series of WhatsApp messages of Rhea Chakraborty allegedly talking about drugs like marijuana and MD. In one of the conversations, Rhea allegedly messaged an alleged drug dealer named Gaurav Arya. In the message, the actor said, "In case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't been doing too much, tried MDMA once." She then goes on to ask, "You have MD?" Another message sent to her by her alleged talent manager Jaya Saha on November 25th last year says, "Use 4 drops in coffee, tea or water and let him sip it. Give it 30 to 40 minutes for it to kick in." These messages have taken the case to a complete new direction. After the reports of ED sharing evidences and the viral messages, Sushant Singh Rajput's family lawyer Vikas Singh reacted to it and said that SSR was given hard drugs.
In our FIR, we were under the impression that he was being overdrugged and that this was some drug administered by a doctor or psychiatrist. But now, after this revelation, it looks like that those were not prescribed drugs. He was given hard drugs, banned drugs. It is quite obvious that what was done to Sushant was definitely highly illegal and highly criminal. These drugs were being used to either control him, calm him down, or make him docile.
Vikas Singh also alleged that Sushant's house help had also claimed that the actor used to be asleep most of the time, while Rhea used to be partying on the other floor of the duplex flat.
That is what the servants also say, that he used to be sleeping on the ground floor. He had a duplex, 6th floor and 7th floor. He used to be sleeping on one floor and there were parties going on the other floor. Rhea used to be having a party and Sushant used to be sleeping on the other floor. So there was definitely an element of actual drugging.
Disturbed and shattered with all the ongoing developments in the case, SSR's father has claimed that Rhea was poisoning his son.
रिया मेरे बेटे सुशांत को लंबे समय से जहर पिलाया करती थी। वो इसकी हत्यारी है। जांच एजेंसी को चाहिए कि रिया को और उसके सहयोगी को अविलंब गिरफ्तार करें और उसे सजा दिलाएं।
After receiving information from the ED, the NCB on Wednesday filed a criminal case against Rhea Chakraborty and others to probe their alleged dealings in banned drugs. According to officials, after holding 2 rounds of meeting and going through the evidence available, Section 20, 22, 27 and 29 of the NDPS have been pressed in the complaint filed by the Federal Anti-Drugs Agency. The ED, which is probing a money laundering angle, has questioned Rhea twice earlier and has obtained deleted WhatsApp messages after forensic examination of her phone. According to accessed messages, Rhea Chakraborty was in touch with drug peddlers. However, the actor's lawyer Sarish Manish Shinde denied the allegations and said Rhea has never consumed drugs in her life and she is ready for a blood test. While ED, CBI and NCB are relentlessly investigating the case, fans have been trending "Arrest Rhea Chakraborty" on social media. In the latest, actor Kangana Ranaut has come forward to expose the alleged drug abusers in Bollywood and claimed cocaine is the industry's favorite drug. The actor expressed that she is willing to help NCB in their probe but needs protection from the central government as she is risking her life and career.